Guys, I tell you a promise, this kind of things cannot get anywhere in the world. Super delicious. Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I plan to do different way to make something better than pizza. I trying to show you all the process. So here the our ingredients. This is the 200 milliliter warm water. We have a 5 grams yeast. We have a 5 grams soy sauce. Now mix together. Mix properly and keep it aside. We have a 400 grams all-purpose flour. I plan to put 10% with warm water. This is the easy way to mix together everything. The later you can put the balance flour. So now we are going to add the remaining flour. Add it, everything. Loosely mix with spoon. After mixing everything together, we can start the kneading. Now it's time to take out. Put a little bit flour, put into the table. Look at that. Now you will make like this. So start kneading to dough for about 10 to 15 minutes. Like that. Take inside everything. Okay guys, our dough almost ready. So I have to keep it another 30 minutes. So I'm going to close the wet towel and keep it aside. This is our next preparation. 250 grams chicken breast, bell pepper 2 pieces, red and green, dark soy sauce 2 tablespoons, salt half teaspoon, paprika powder half teaspoon, chili powder half teaspoon, black pepper half teaspoon. Also I have 2 pieces onions. That's all our ingredient. Very simple. Now we start. So I'm going to add 3 spoons of sunflower oil. Next I'm going to add onion. Now I'm going to add bell pepper. Now I'm going to add chicken breast. Another 2 to 3 minutes. Alright. Now I'm going to add all the ingredients. Beginning chili, salt, paprika powder, chili powder, black pepper. Finally I'm going to add dark sauce, soy sauce. Now mix properly. Another 2 minutes. Again. Alright guys, now all the cooking is done. Close the cooker, keep aside. Alright guys, we go to our next preparations. Perfect. Okay, let's start. Spread some more flour and dough is transferred. Look at that. We're going to cut our dough to half. Alright, our dough is ready. Now I'm going to add some more olive oil. Now I'm going to transfer to the fry pan. Now add all the chickens. Alright, spread everywhere. I'm going to add some more cheese. Now we have to add our second dough. Alright, my second dal is already ready. Let's go to our pans. Make flat, just like that. I'm going to make little bit something decorate. Now ready to cook. Start, close like that. Keep low flame. Now already 11 minutes. We're going to flip to other side. Wow! Look at this beauty. Wow, guys. Okay, we're going to start other side. Keep it another 10 minutes hopefully. Our timing now almost 10 minutes. Let's see how is the quality. Wow! Look at this color. Beautiful. Guys, look at this. What a beautiful pizza. It's not the pizza actually. This is the double side of pizza. You cannot get anywhere in the world. Maybe you can get in for me. That joke. I will test and let you know the taste of my new pizza. Look at this. Beautiful. Both the side crunchy, middles very soft. All the meats are there. Now time to taste. Now I'm going to start my first bite. Awesome, super delicious. The below and upper portion crunchy, the middle portion very soft. Also taste of the all around super savory, little bit spicy, cheesy, milky, juicy tomato, many more bright flavors. Very taste and healthy. I will try another one. Guys, I tell you a promise, this kind of things cannot get anywhere in the world. Taste amazing. If you want to, the ingredient there is, try your home. Alright guys, thanks to watching. Next video I will bring to you another amazing recipe. Bye bye.